What's up, guys? Mainly Hockey Cards here, and today I just got back from my first day at the National. Did pick up a box to break. 2020-21 Upper Deck Stature Hockey. Stature. As you can see, I'll remove the plastic wrap to speed things up. I've just got to remove the seal. I don't do mid-end breaks too often, really. Maybe once around Christmas time for me. It's really not that often, but being at the National, I thought it was at a good price, and I just couldn't say no. Here's the inside of the box. And put it on the box. Alright, so here we are. Card number 1, Mitch Marner. Okay, Mitch. Okay. Card number 2, Patrick Laine. Okay. I have to get a little card so I can reveal this better. There we go. Card number 3, Joel Hofer, base rookie. I believe that's numbered, yeah, to 399. Really love this product. Card number 4, Peter Bondra, green of 175. Getting nervous. Oh god, I see an update. Yanni Hakanpää, one of the worst rookies you could possibly get, of 99. That's the portrait version. This looks like an update. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. Brady Tkachuk, hard signed auto of 65. Yeah, I can't complain about that. That is nice. That's real nice. And we've got Alexander Alexiev, Protégé's auto. It's not too bad. It's not great. The wrong capital. Would have preferred McMichael. Pretty nice looking card. And the last card in the box, as you guys saw at the beginning, Elias Pettersson Gravitas. For $169, I don't think it was really that worth it. The Tkachuk is a nice little card. Overall, not the greatest break. Again, hit of the break. Is this Brady Tkachuk? You can't win them all. You can't win them all. Still, beautiful card though. Beautiful card. Hard signed. I mean, it's really not that bad. Like, it's a beautiful card. So if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind later. Thanks again, everyone.